Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Zorix Grow. Now if you have been earning from Zorix Grow and you want to successfully withdraw your money, you are on the right video. On this video I'm going to show you how to do this successfully. Now let's proceed. First of all, you have to click open at the bottom left corner of the app. After arriving at the app, you have to click wallet. In there, you're going to be asked for your USDT BEP20 wallet address and then the amount you want to withdraw. Now, if you do not know, the minimum amount of Zorix Grow that you can withdraw is 100,000. They call it 100,000 ZO. If you have up to that, then you can just click on the 100,000 there. A 100,000 ZO of Zorix Grow is worth 10 USDT. Now, if you want to withdraw this, you have to input your BEP20 wallet address from any wallet. For example, I have a Bybit. You can use any other one that you have, any other wallet, but I have Bybit. But if you don't have Bybit, just follow my process. Click on your wallet. Now in there, click assets at the bottom left corner of the app, and then you click deposit. Click deposit crypto. When they ask you select payment method, click deposit crypto. Then you are going to select USDT. If you do not find it here, you can search it from the search tab. But if you see it here, it will always be on the recommended section there. So just click on USDT because they are looking for your USDT only. So click on the USDT. And then you have to search for BEP20. I've already seen it here. It is PSC BEP20. Make sure that it is the BEP20 that you picked. Click on it after seeing it. Then swipe to confirm. Then you can copy the address. This is my own address here. Copy yours from your own wallet. So when you copy it, head back to the Zorix Grow platform and then input the address that you just copied. Once you have done this, you can now click submit withdrawal. Then your withdrawal will be on pending till when it will be approved. So this is how you can withdraw from Zorix Grow. I hope you find this helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because that is the only way you can help me right now. Thank you.